Unlike gymnosperms and angiosperms, the fern gametophyte is a free-living organism. Ferns produce spores instead of seeds. Ferns do not flower. Fern leaves unfurl in a spiral shape called croziers, which is unique from any other plant.
Ferns remove their impurities from the air. They are low maintenance and a way to decorate indoor spaces. Their unfurled croziers can be eaten as food also. Ferns have phytochemical defenses which keep them from being eaten by most small forest animals. Ferns first appeared in the fossil record about 360 million years ago in the late Devonian period. Many of the current families and species did not appear until roughly 145 million years ago in the early Cretaceous period. After flowering plants came to dominate many environments, the fern Osmunda claytoniana is a paramount example of evolutionary stasis. Paleontological evidence indicates it has remained unchanged, even at the level of fossilized nuclei and chromosomes from at least 180 million years. Ferns start their life cycle as spores. These spores then germinate, which turn into the gametophyte. The antheridium of the fern fertilizes with the archegonium, and this in turn develops the sporophyte. This developing sporophyte turns into the mature sporophyte, which produces these sporangia, which go through meiosis, and the life cycle goes all over again. Ferns go through an alternation of generation between sporophyte and gametophyte.
More ferns are grown in Florida than in any other state in the continental United States. The foxtail fern is not actually a fern. It does produce seeds, although it's called a fern, probably due to its clumping growth habit and appearance. The staghorn fern, Platycerium bifurcatum, is named that due to the leaves being shaped like the antlers of a stag. The fertile leaves are shaped like a stag's horn, covered in a silvery felt, which helps them tolerate bright sunlight. Oil and coal are the products of dead ferns and other plant materials from the Carboniferous period.
Boston ferns do best in high quality, bright light, but they should not be planted in full sun. These plants need temperatures higher than 45 degrees to 50 degrees Fahrenheit to survive.
The woolly tree fern is a fast-growing fern that can grow 20 to 25 feet tall. The lower parts of the leaf and fibrous trunk are covered with woolly hairs. This tree fern needs a shady location and moist soil. It is native to the rainforest from southern Mexico to Nicaragua. Staghorn ferns have two types of fronds, antler fronds and shield fronds. Staghorn ferns are native to the tropics. Staghorn ferns are epiphytes, which means they are air plants. They gladly grow on a wall mount, which lets air circulate around them. Staghorn ferns prefer a moist soil with peat moss added. They do not like to be too dry. Staghorn ferns need bright, indirect, or diffused light to thrive, though they must be protected from the harsh rays of the direct sun.